A reverse emulsion is the addition of liquid into a fat. Not always a common technique, however with this ingredient it surely is. I'm talking about tahini, otherwise known as tahini, which is a paste made from sesame seeds. The sauce we'll be making with it is called tarator. Used in many Middle Eastern dishes, its rich, creamy and acidic flavor is perfect for fish, salads, grilled vegetables, and purees. Now the actual tahini itself is believed to have come from ancient Babylon 4,000 years ago, and the word tahini in Arabic means ground, which makes sense because this sauce is essentially grounded up sesame seeds. Now with all that being said, let's dive right in and make this wonderful creamy sauce. In a bowl, add half a cup of your tahini paste. We'll then add a pinch of salt and begin to stream in some room temperature water while whisking. The tahini paste will look like it's beginning to seize, however, keep whisking and incorporating water, and in due time, the tahini will turn into a beautiful rich creamy sauce. We'll add a few squeezes of lemon juice, then continue to whisk. Now it's important to achieve the correct texture. You don't want it to be thin, but you don't want it to be too thick either. And with each addition of water, I'm gauging the consistency as I go. And here is what we want, running off the spoon but still nice and creamy. I'll taste and then add more salt. And here it is up close, such a luxurious lemony and nutty sauce. So there you have it, the reverse emulsion, which showcases one of the most popular ingredients in the Middle East. Feel free to add chopped herbs, lemon zest or spices to your tarator. Coriander and parsley are two that I highly suggest. In the next lessons, we'll be diving into the process of making purees. I'll see you there.